Before the crunch, there is a science. In the silence of the silos, a golden empire prepares to awaken.
The journey begins with the harvest. Tons of premium flint corn are delivered, a golden tide of Pythagoras. Purity is the first priority. High-velocity air currents purge the grain of field debris. The geometry dictates the flow. Rhythmic vibrating screens sort the harvest, removing any outlier that cups. Safety is built into the line. Powerful magnets sweep the stream, capturing any metallic intrusions. Every grain is judged. Computer vision scans for imperfections at the speed of light, rejecting. This is the magic number. Too much moisture and the grain rots, too little and it fails to explode. Inside the drying towers, the atmosphere is strictly controlled. We manage the moisture at a molecular level. A final polish gives the kernels their luster. They are tumbled until they shine like amber beads, reducing friction. We separate the leaders from the laggards. Gravity and air work in tandem to isolate the densest kernels. The cleaned harvest is staged. These stainless steel cathedrals hold the gold in reserve. For those who like to pop at home, high-speed baggers package the raw kernels in airtight film, locking cords. Now, the transformation begins. In the industrial air popper, the kernels are caught in a 3-Heinz. The explosion is instant. At 135 pounds per square inch of internal pressure, the whole field of flavor. A blizzard of flavor. Thousands of kernels explode every second, creating a continuous drive the sipst. A transcription features a male voice with an American accent, delivering a documentary-style narrative. The golden shower. A precise mist of clarified butter and a storm of microsalt coat every crevice. For the bold, we add the cheese. Inside the tumbler, a storm of cheddar powder creates an even, vibe with lightning speed. The finished bags are grouped and packed, protected by a secondary layer of industrial cardboard.
For the gourmet varieties, the kitchen becomes a laboratory of sweetness. Molten caramel, heated to exactly. The enrobing process is a delicate ballet of viscosity, a continuous curtain of liquid coffee in pure threads. To prevent a single solid mass, the popcorn enters the cooling tumbler. Cold air snap hardens the glaze. Artistry meets automation. Micro-nozzles drizzle dark and white chocolate in precise geometric pattern. Texture is a science. Roasted nuts are introduced into the flow, creating a multi-sensory contrast between the airy personal pressures. Meanwhile, in the high-tech sector, the microwave bag is born. Multi-layered grease-proof paper. The secret is the susceptor. This microscopic layer of metallized film will act as a miniature heating electrode. A precise payload of fats and seasonings is injected. This solid slurry will melt instantly in the microwave. Hermetic sealing is hollow. The bag is locked tight, ensuring the more remains trapped in the kernels. The bag is folded and overwrapped in a protective barrier, a double layer of security to keep the flavors fresh and the moisture. Mathematical precision at scale. A 14-head computer weigher calculates the perfect combination of weights in milli. In the vertical bagger, a continuous roll of film becomes a protective vault. The corn is dropped and seepage. Oxygen is purged. A nitrogen cushion is injected to protect the delicate fluff from being crushed, and a final electronic sentry. High-sensitivity coils scan the finished product, ensuring the only thing in the bag. There is no margin for error. Any bag failing the weight test by even a single gram is immediately purged. Traceability is the law. An inkjet printer tat every bag with a unique digital fingerprint, requirement. Cake erectors transform flat sheets into rigid cardboard fortresses, ready for the weight of the global supply chain. The robotic ballet continues. Multiple units are grouped and packed, maximizing space for the long journey to the In the lab, we measure the frequency of the crunch. If the decibel level is too low, the entire batch is rejected. The harvest is ready for the world. Bound in a translucent cocoon, the pallet stands as a testament. The harvest is ready for the world. Bound in a translucent cocoon, the pallet stands as a testament. In the flavor lab, we decode the chemistry of the crunch. Every spice and oil is analyzed. Nothing is wasted. Nothing is wasted. Even the broken kernels are harvested for their precious oils, a nutrient-dense byproduct. In a display of thermal fusion, loose popcorn is transformed. High-pressure molds crush the starch into uniform cakes. Artistry meets the machine. Robotic drizzlers apply a lattice of premium chocolate, elevate ionized seasoning. We use static electricity to pull microscopic salt crystals toward the core, ensuring a pipette. We test the limits of physics. In the altitude chamber, we ensure the hermetic seals hold tight, whether the
Time is a variable we control. Through accelerated aging, we guarantee the popcorn remains pure. The factory breathes back into the earth. Organic waste is pulverized into biomass, during evolutions. In the digital cathedral of the warehouse, robots manage the hoard. 500 million kernels are trites. From the sterile sanctuary of the plant, the product is transferred to refrigerated keys, never touching the outside air. As the world sleeps, the factory breathes. A never-ending fleet departs Maranello, carrying the golden harvest.
Efficiency extends to the retail floor. Robotic packers build display-ready cases.
Innovation in every layer. We are pioneering compostable films that protect the product as well as the planet. Ensure the ultimate validation. Human senses meet files to confirm that the snap, the pop, and total transparency. Every tin is tattooed with a digital passport, linking the consumer directly to the soil journey. The industrial journey ends in your kitchen. The trapped steam is released, and the alchemy of heat. This is the climax of creation. A simple golden seed, transformed by 1,000 industrial miracles. The sun never sets on the harvest. From a single point of origin, the factory of everything feeds us. The cycle is infinite. As one harvest leaves, the next prepares for its transformation. Simple, powerful, corn to popcorn.